Gemini AI. What if your digital assistant can not only understand your words, but also process images, audio, and even video seamlessly? Would you still settle for basic tools when something far more advanced exists? That's exactly what Gemini offers. Developed by Google AI's DeepMind and Google Brain teams, Gemini is Google's most powerful large language model yet. Announced on December 6, 2023, it was created to directly compete with leading assistants like ChatGPT and Anthropic's Claude. Its name, taken from a Latin word for twins, represents the fusion of two of Google's top AI research groups. Google has been a pioneer in artificial intelligence for more than a decade, building on earlier successes like Lambda in 2021 and Palm in 2022. Under CEO Sundar Pichai's leadership, Gemini's development accelerated after the explosive rise of ChatGPT. By late 2023, Gemini officially launched with a multimodal focus, meaning it can understand and generate text, images, and other types of data. In 2024 and 2025, Gemini rapidly advanced with versions like Gemini Pro, Gemini Ultra, Gemini 1.5 Pro, and Gemini 2.0. These updates added native audio and video generation, improved reasoning skills, and extended conversation memory. One of its standout features, Gemini Live, allows real-time voice interactions, replacing Google Assistant on devices like Pixel and Samsung smartphones. Gemini isn't limited to chat, it's deeply integrated into Google's ecosystem. It powers Bard, Google's chatbot platform, enhances Google Workspace for productivity, supports Android and Chrome, and even helps organize Google Photos. Developers also benefit from tools like Gemini Code Assist and Gemini CLI, making it useful for both casual users and professionals. Google emphasizes privacy and safety, continually fine-tuning Gemini to reduce bias and ensure secure interactions. It's designed to be a universal AI agent, capable of understanding context across multiple formats and offering meaningful assistance wherever you need it. If you want to experience the future of AI that goes beyond words, Gemini is ready to show you what's next. Give it a try and see how Google is redefining digital assistants.